In this video, we're going to work on multiplication, and we're going to use a model to help us calculate a problem like this one that says, use the model to find 2 times 14. So if you look at some of my other videos where I talk about area, we know that area is basically the multiplication of two numbers. So we could use this model, this area model, to help us figure out what 2 times 14 is. So we have one rectangle that has dimensions 2 by 10, and this rectangle has dimensions 4 by 2. Okay, because these lengths are exactly the same, so because this is 2, we know this blue one is also 2. Okay? So step 1. Oh, and just a reminder, you could take a look at the description. I have some other videos that talk about area and calculating that, so that might be helpful to you. Step 1, find the area of each rectangle. The model shows 2 by 14, which is broken down into two smaller rectangles. So the two smaller rectangles are 2 by 10 and 2 by 4. Multiply the side lengths of each smaller rectangle to find the area. So you'll be finding the area first of this one and then of this one. So for the purple one, 2 by 10 equals 20, right? 2 times 10 equals 20. For the blue one, 2 times 4 equals 8. So that's the area of the blue one. So let's just see how that looks so that we could break it down completely into its components. So the area of the purple one is 20 and the area of the blue one is 8. So the final step, add the areas to find the total area of the model. So 20 plus 8 equals 28. So the total area of the model equals 2 times 14. So we just finished using this model to find what 2 times 14 is. It's 28. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away, just watch the video again. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. And if you want, you can download the ebook that I have, and you can follow along with the ebook, and you can make notes in there, which might be helpful to you as well.